Hello friends, welcome back to TechSan, back with another video. This time, this is a review of the Yamaha SR-B20A soundbar. I bought a Yamaha SR-B20A soundbar a month ago. I was always fascinated by Yamaha bikes and Yamaha sound products. And for the first time, I bought a Yamaha sound product, SR-B20A. This soundbar has got inbuilt subwoofers. I always wanted to have a compact subwoofer without an external subwoofer, wired or wireless. So I was having wireless external subwoofers with LG soundbars mostly, and I wanted to change that. And so I bought an LG SP2 inbuilt soundbar for a price of $7,500 and a Yamaha SR-B20A, which is priced around $14,500. Now when I look at Amazon, the price is much higher, $17,000, and the product is not available as well. So before getting into the audio test, you very well know that my audio tests are all about going to NCS, copyright-free music, playing 3 songs, 3 volume levels, and it's for you viewers to judge the quality of the soundbar. I've been using this for a month and I'm pretty impressed. But when comparing it with the LG SP2, I find this soundbar only slightly better. LG SP2 is priced around $7,500 and it has got a lot of options, and the audio quality is almost as good as this Yamaha SR-B20A. There are certain elements of the soundbar which is much above the LG SP2, but the LG SP2 comes close. So looking at the specifications of this LG SR-B20A, we should compare it with the more pricier model YAS-109, because both come with 120 watts output. So if you go and compare it with the Yamaha YAS-109, the differences are very meager, but there are. The streaming services in the Yamaha YAS-109, it has got a Spotify access as well as Amazon Music compatible service. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It's got a microphone. This does not have a microphone. It's not Wi-Fi enabled, and it does not have Spotify support or Amazon Music support. And multi-channel sound wise, Dolby Atmos audio decoder support is not implemented in both YAS-109 or this SR-B20A. Now for external subwoofers, the Yamaha YAS-109 can be connected to a wired and wireless external subwoofer, but the SR-B20A has wired connection only. The Yamaha YAS-109 and the LG SP2 do have HDMI input-output and HDMI AUX support. But the Yamaha SR-B20A, this one only has HDMI AUX and it does not have HDMI input-output. And both these models, the YAS-109 and the Yamaha SR-B20A, do not support HDMI AUX. HDMI CEC is available in both. Both these models, Yamaha YAS-109 and Yamaha SR-B20A, do have optical in and out. This has got app support. You can download the app and have all the settings changed and use accordingly to your preferences and taste. And the remote, it has got a lovely remote. It comes with the remote which has got almost every option. You can see this is the remote, beautiful compact handy remote with cell battery. It's got TV, optical, Bluetooth, info, clear voice, 3D surround, stereo, standard movie, game, bass, EXT, DIM, subwoofer, volume, mute buttons. Really very cool remote. Now let's go and start the audio test. What I'm going to do is play a song from NCS. Let's go and hit the first song. Let's start the first song from NCS. The settings are clear voice, bass extension, 3D surround, all on. Subwoofer levels are 2, maximum is 4, and I've just put the volume halfway, and let's see how the musical quality turns out. Let's hit the 75% volume. Now let's hit the full volume. Now let's go and hit the second song. The same method, volume is set at half.
When you need my I'm here when you need my I'm here when you need my I'm here when you need my
And let's to 75% volume.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice.
Now let's do full volume. Now we go to the third and final song, 50% volume. Now let's go and do 75% volume. Now let's do 100% volume. So friends, I hope that you are happy with the audio test of the Yamaha SR-B20A. This is for the first time I'm having a Yamaha audio product, and I'm very happy about the audio reproduction from the soundbar. I'm very happy. Looking at the price, I know it is on the starting of the premium range, and I was very excited to get a premium audio product from Yamaha or any other company, be it matters like Marshall or Yamaha. And I thought, for a start, I'll go for Yamaha because I was always having, like brands, but not very high budget ones from LG, Sony, and JBL. For the first time, I'm going for a premium segment one from Yamaha. This is the start stage of the Yamaha premium segment, and I'm very satisfied. Comparing with the LG SP2, LG SP2 has a slight more edge because it's got one more option like HDMI in and out. This one only has HDMI ARC, and the audio reproduction of the LG SP2 is very good. It's not as good as this SR-B20A, but it's still up there. And looking at the price, 7,500. This one sells for around 15,000. I think the LG one does catch up. And if you're looking for a very budget oriented, friendly priced one, LG SP2 is the one to go for. And if you're looking up to start on a premium segment from a good premium audio manufacturer, this one is the one to go for. And looking at the base of both like the LG SP2 and this Yamaha SR-B20A, this one does give you the punch and kick you require. So yeah, what should I say to end this video? I'm very happy with both these soundbars. I think I'll keep both these soundbars for a long time because I'm satisfied, and I'll be buying more Yamaha products for sure. I am very happy with this. So there ends this video, friends. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.